Hello, today we're going to be learning how to crochet a heart granny square. The materials you are going to be needing is a red and a white yarn, or whatever colors you want to use, and the recommended hook size for your yarn. Start with a magic circle. Chain 3 and double crochet 2 into your magic circle. Chain 2 and double crochet 3 into your magic circle. And again, chain 2 and double crochet 3, and you're going to do that once more after this time. Chain 2 and slip stitch into the top of your chain 3. Pull that tail nice and tight, and then you are going to slip stitch into, so you have your chain 3 and then you have your first double crochet. So you're going to slip stitch into the top of your first double crochet, and then you're going to chain 1, and in your first corner stitch you're going to put 8 double crochets. So in your next corner stitch, you're going to put 1 single crochet. So then you're going to put 2 single crochets in the center double crochet, and then you're going to chain 1 and put 2 more single crochets in the same stitch. Then you're going to chain 1, and in your next corner stitch you're going to put 1 single crochet. Then you're going to chain 1 and put 8 double crochets in the following corner stitch. Then you're going to chain 1 and slip stitch down to your chain 3 from the previous row. Then you're going to cut your red yarn, and we're going to begin with our white yarn. With your white yarn, begin with a slip knot, and we're going to slip stitch to the bottom stitch of your heart. So find that very bottom stitch in your heart and slip stitch into that one. Then we're going to single crochet into the next stitch, and in the following stitch half double crochet, and in the stitch after that we're going to make 1 double crochet, and then in the stitch after that we're going to make a treble crochet. Then you're going to want to chain 2 and double crochet into the next stitch, half double crochet into the following stitch after that, and then you are going to put 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitches. You're going to chain 2 and put 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitches. Then you're going to make 1/2 double crochet into the center of your heart. Then again, put 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitches. And chain 2, put 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitches, then 1/2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and then chain 2. Then you're going to want to make 1 treble crochet, 1 double crochet in the stitch after that, 1/2 double crochet in the stitch after that, then 1 single crochet. And then you're just going to slip stitch to your first stitch to join. Then we're going to chain 3, and we are going to put 2 double crochets in the same stitch that you slip stitched into. In the corner stitch, you're going to put 3 double crochets. You're going to chain 2 and then put 3 more double crochets back into that same corner stitch. Then you're going to chain 1, skip 3 stitches, and put 3 double crochets into that 4th stitch. You're going to chain 1 and put 3 double crochets in that corner stitch, and then chain 2 and put 3 more double crochets. Next, you're going to chain 1 and into that center stitch where you put your 1/2 double crochet into the center of the heart, you're going to make 3 double crochets. Then you're going to chain 1, put 3 double crochets into that corner stitch again, chain 2 and put 3 more double crochets back into that stitch. Then you're going to chain 1, skip 2 stitches, and then you're going to put 3 double crochets into the 3rd stitch. Then you're going to chain 1, and in the corner stitch you're going to put 3 double crochets, chain 2, then another 3 double crochets. Then to finish off the round, you're going to chain 1 and slip stitch to the top of that chain 3. Next, you're going to slip stitch to that center stitch, chain 1, and in the next chain space, you're going to put 3 double crochets. Then, you're going to chain 1, and in your corner space, you're going to put 3 double crochets. You're going to chain 2, then another 3 double crochets. next you're going to chain 1, and in that next chain space you're going to put 3 double crochets. Then you're going to chain 1, and in the next chain space you're going to put 3 double crochets. Then you're going to chain 1, and in the corner space you're going to put 3 double crochets, chain 2, and another 3 double crochets. Next, you're going to chain 1, and in the next chain space you're going to put 3 double crochets. Then you are going to chain 1, and in the chain space after that you're going to put 3 double crochets. Then you're going to chain 1, which brings you to your corner space. So you're going to put 3 double crochets, chain 2, and then another 3 double crochets. And you're going to chain 1 and continue like this around. So in the chain spaces that aren't the corners, you're just going to put 3 double crochets, chain 1, and then that should bring you to another regular chain space. Then in the corners, you're going to put 3 double crochets, chain 2, and another 3 double crochets. And then when you come up to the end of your work, you're going to just chain 1 and slip stitch to your very first stitch. Then you're going to want to cut your yarn, weave in those ends, and that should give you a finished heart granny square. I hope you had a fun time crocheting with me, and I'll see you next time.